Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, I wanted to do a quick video on the importance, I think, of having scavenged parts. Now, none of this is cataloged. This is usually one of each of something. And when I get a miscellaneous part, I just throw it in this plastic pan. As you see, there's, like I said, one of everything in here. There's trucks, mounts, tab and slot couplers, Lionel parts, trucks, couplers, slides. There's just one of everything. Spoked wheel. I have no idea what this actually came off of, but it's Lionel. It has the Lionel bolt in it, but it was obviously broken off of something. It came in a box of parts I bought. As did a lot of this stuff, is just miscellaneous junk. But you'd be surprised. There are days when you don't think you're ever going to use any of this stuff. And then one day some locomotive comes in the mail, or you find one that needs a part, and you think to yourself, you know, I think I have one of those. And you look through and bingo, you'll find one. So it comes in really handy to have just a bunch, an association of just junk parts. As you see, this is just stuff. And there's screws, light bulbs, power sockets, gears, all kinds of just miscellaneous junk parts. But it's surprising how often I turn to this to repair something. I'll, like I said, I'll get something in the mail or pick some locomotive up someplace, and it needs a part that I don't think I have. And I can look through this melange of mixed parts and bingo, there is one or something very similar to it that can be retrofitted and made to work. But I think it's really important to have a hodgepodge of parts. Now, none of this is cataloged, because if you have one of everything in here, you're going to need 1,000 drawers to keep it in. So, like I said, I just throw it in this pan. And when I need something, I just go digging through it, and surprisingly number of times I can find what I need, or find something that will work. Anyway, it's really important, and this is just miscellaneous junk parts. I mean, stuff that you can't really use for anything else, but is a perfect replacement for something that is missing. And you can look through this and find all kinds of things that sometimes you don't even know what they are. And I'll buy a box of parts on eBay and think I'm never, ever, ever going to use any of this. And surprisingly enough, sometimes 6 months, a year later, I find something else on eBay that needs that very part. So I think it's important to have this. It's a hodgepodge, yeah. But when you have so many different parts, it's just impossible to catalog it all. It just takes up too much time and space. So just a box of parts, really. When I have to go digging for a part, this is where I go, and lots of times I can find it. So just wanted to do a quick video on the importance of parts. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benztrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.